Project life cycle. Each project has 4 life cycle phases, starting with the start of the project. Phase number 2, organizing and preparation. Phase number 3, carrying out the work. Phase number 4, ending the project. 1, 2, 3, 4 phases under the project life cycle. So these 4 phases figuring the process groups, which is 5. Initiation, planning process, execution, and monitoring and controlling and closing. So 5 process group under 4 phases of the project life cycle. Under these 5 process groups, there is 10 knowledge area. 10 knowledge area. We are going to study each knowledge area from the project management one by one. This diagram showing the relation between the risk and uncertainty curve and the cost of a change with the red one. As you can see, here is the cost and the staffing level starting with the initial stage or initial phase and intermediate and final. As you know, the cost of a change increase from start up to the end. So at the initial phase of the project, if you have any change, you can just print another drawing, print another sheet, or correct your work. And the ability to change start to reduce, and the cost of a change start to increase until the final phase. If you have any change here, it will impact the cost too much. So let's say you have to rebuild the building or demolish column from the second floor. So demolishing the column may impact the beams, so it will impact a big change of the plan. In the opposite direction, risk and uncertainty. At the initial phase, we don't know what is the specific risk we can meet, or what is the specific scope, or what is the final product we can expect. And the uncertainty level start to reduce through the intermediate phase and until reach to the final phase, everything is clear. By the same idea, this is how much effort we can spend in our project. So the maximum effort or the maximum gross cost is in the intermediate phase. So what is the project management process? As we mentioned, starting from start project or project start, so initiation process or initiating process, then planning process and execution process and closing process. Someone will ask, okay, where is the monitor and control? All that process, which is initiating, planning, closing, execution, the 4 process is working under the monitoring and controlling process. So the 4 process is under the umbrella of monitoring. I can make monitoring and controlling for each process of the 4. After we close the project, we will exit phase or end the project.